What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Estrella here, and in today's video, I'm going to be like sending my sister some squishies. It's just pretend, but it's gonna be fun. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell, please, and thank you. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Cute Edits, and you should find it. Well, I'm gonna change the name pretty soon. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm going to be showing you guys some squishies that I'm going to be sending to her. So first is this one. This it's rolled gold pretzel chips. Well, pretzels. I made it, and it's very squishy and crunchy, as you hear. It's not the best detailed, but yeah, I think it's pretty close. Next are some nice McDonald's fries that my sister made. And this is Smart Food popcorn. It doesn't look the best, but it's very squishy, very crunchy, and I love doing this. The next squishy is this Dorito squishy. Nacho cheese flavor says right here, and I made it, and this is so nice. I love how it looks, and I didn't think it would get this far. This is one that I made today. It's peanut butter and jam. In the front, it's jam, like jelly, and in the back, it's peanut butter. Very squishy, some air comes out of it, and it's crunchy. I love it. Next would be this lovely chocolate bar. In the back, it's just plain out chocolate for the chocolate brown. And in back, it's different colors. This one I made a long time ago, but I gave it to my sister. Next would be this ice cream cone that I also gave to my sister because I wasn't really interested in squishies. But now I am, and I just love making them. Next would be this bread. My sister made it, and it's very squishy. And in the back, there is no color. But she is soon to be making one that has color in the back and front, just like this one, like a bread. It's like a dog toy. But yeah. So I'm gonna put some squishies in this bag because we don't have a box to ship it in. So yeah. So I put the ice cream cone with the ice cream, the McDonald's fries, and the jam and peanut butter in this bag. That was the most I can fit, I think. But it was pretty good. So now I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be putting in this lovely, crunchy, nice sound Ziploc bag. I mean, sandwich bag. So maybe this Dorito, and also probably this popcorn. Super crunchy. But let's see if they can fit in this Ziploc bag. So yes, they both fit in here, and now I'm going to be doing the other. So now I'm going to be trying to fit these two, rolled gold and this. Together they make awesome sound. So let's see. So here they are, and very crunchy, and they don't fit. And so I'm going to be adding the nice crunchy bread into the first one with the jam and ice cream and fries because that was the last one, and well, yeah, these are all of them. So there's 1, 2, and 3 bags. And I think I'm going to give her something bad, something creative, something. Ooh, like this. It's crunchy. It's crazy. It is amazing. I'm just gonna give her this with the worst squishy that I could find, which would probably be this one. It's crunchy, but it's not really that squishy, and I'm just gonna I can't put it in here, so let's just have it stick out like that. So yeah, now let's pass them by to her. So I'm gonna leave it by the door. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. What's this on the ground? Oh, my package from Silly's stores. Ugh, so wonderful. Let's see. I'm gonna see what I got. I'm so excited she got me it. Oh my god, I've been waiting for the gold boiled chicken nugget store. This is not chicken, it's pretzels. But this is so cute and I love pretzels. I ordered a chicken nugget, but she maybe didn't get it, so. Next thing I got was this Dorito. I love Doritos. They are so squishy and crunchy. I am not going to report her about that squishy she gave me because I already have this good one and it's so good luck for me. I got a Dorito wrapper. That's weird. Oh, there's nothing inside. This is good luck. I can keep it to put squishy bags inside or something to make it a squishy. Next thing I got was this cute face. It's so cute. Oh, I ordered a Happy Meal too, but I guess this is my Happy Meal chocolate bar. It's so adorable. I love this. It's so cute. Thank you so much for everything. Next thing I got was this ice cream. It's super cute, and look at the colors. I don't know why there's brown on top. That's a bad color for an ice cream, but I think it's really disgusting. And I love the way this was so cool. Next thing I got was this. It looks like a flute. No, it's a bar. It's a bread. It's a flying Superman bread. Woo, woo. It's a flying Super Bread and Underman. Oh. Next thing I got was this. Oh no! Oh my gosh! Oh, this hurts so bad because I have always wanted a Smart Food paper squishy. Other than squishies, I love this. It's so crunchy. I love it. I can't hold my breath. Let's see the next squishy.
Listen, we are going to.
The next squishy was this potato skin. Potato skin. This is so cute. I love the potato skin she gave me, and it's so wonderful. I like this squishy. One I got was this fries. McDonald's fries. It's super slow rising. And look at the M. She didn't shape it correctly, but I think it's worth it. It's super slow rising. I squish it all day, but I don't have time to squish it all day. Next squishy I have is this peanut butter squishy, and this is a jam. It's so cute the way she drew it. Because look, you can see peanut butter, and it's super slow rising. This is a nice squishy. Okay, that's it. That's all the squishies. Now it's time to return this wrapper. It's bad. I'm going to return this wrapper and write a note. Okay, her note is going to be something nice. And we have this note. Shove it in the bag she gave me with the Doritos. I don't know where the Doritos. I don't know where the Doritos. Oh, Doritos are here. And let's shove this. And so yeah, she's gonna come and pick up the package in 10 minutes. She lives very close by, so I just wanted to go there. That's what she's doing. So she's here. Push in the chair and goodbye. I stepped on something. Oh, what's it? The bracket I gave my it's literally written with color pencil, guys. It says, I had you, okay? Wait. Garbage. This was not Squishy Scammer. This was like a package for mysteries. And this was my sister. She was the one who directing the service for church. I mean, directing the video. Not church. Directing the video. So yeah. I hope you like. Put up a thumbs up and enjoy your life.